Hello, this is Brother Joseph. This is the the series on the habit, and this one is the front of the habit. This is Matthew. This one has absolutely no buttons on it, but it has slits, and the slits correspond to what was saw in the back with Luke. The back part of the habit with Luke. It's got the three slits here, 1, 2, 3. This folds in, and this is where the center is, where you have the one slit right here. It only has the one because it's in the front. It doesn't have the 3 as it does in the back, but it's got the 3 for the shoulder, both shoulders, and it folds in to itself. And there's nothing but slits over here because everything is, all the buttons are in the back, and the slits are all along the side. Okay, and you'll see that in the PDF, and also see how it fits together when I do the putting it on and all together portion. You can see the slits, and the slits correspond, those numbers all are the same with each other, and that's my chicken scratch. I'll make it better for the PDF. But here again, I'm going to go through the, let me get in the light so you can see. That's how it fits together in the end. Coming from, I took one big sheet and I cut it into 4. The sheet is in the dimensions of the shroud of Turin. You see, this is where I cut it into 4. And these are the 4 pieces that are going to go and cover the whole. One for the arms and the top. Let me set it down so I can get better. That wraps around the arms and the top. That's the front and the back, and then it's for the waist. It folds in for the waist. For the top and the arms, I call it mark. It folds in on itself, rolls up, and it goes over the head, and then it goes along the sides of the arms. And then again, for the front and the back, it just folds in like that. It doesn't fold all the way to the edge to edge, and the reason why is because of the height. Otherwise it would be, I tried it once and it just wasn't long enough. So I shortened it up in that way. And it goes, attaches front and back. You put the back on first, and I'll show you that, how it works. It's just easier to start with the back. The buttons here go right through the slits on the other one. It's the same it's going to do for the front. And the 3 in the back, 3 on each shoulder. So a total of 9 across there. And then when the back is on, you put the front on, and it buttons right up. And there they are. Buttons right up. And the last is the waist. I call that one John. It folds into 4, and it just wraps around the waist, and I'll show you how that works as well. So that's it for this one. It's just an easy, simple one. And I'll show you the final piece, and then we'll put it together. Thanks.